dedicate this video to my mom and my mama from Sri Lanka and my mama from Philippines. Hi everybody! Today, I'm gonna talk about someone very close to my heart. Simply, I can't be here without her. Now, 3 seconds guessing time. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! You're right. It's my mom, of course. Luckily, this is a special day to celebrate her. To celebrate her unimaginable love and care. We celebrate that special day is the 12th of May, Sunday. I'm so excited to show my appreciation. I have planned some surprises for my mom. No, not some real surprise like this. Like this. Boom! Not like that. So, what have you planned for your mom? Tell me in the comments below. This amazing creature is the best thing that happened to Mother Earth. Yeah, Mother Earth. No. We can still see Mother Earth even if it's not a girl. Because it's a planet. We celebrate Mother's Day on May 12th. A day to pay tribute to the most amazing human in the world, maybe in the universe, since we still know for sure about alien moms. Yeah, if there were alien moms, I guess they would be sweet as humans' moms. Just a thought. From the time before we're born, she starts to love us. Limitless love. She's my first best teacher. Not your teacher in school. She taught me so many things. From when I was a baby, she taught me how to sit down and how to walk. Or maybe how to lie down. And also how to read, how to count, how to do mathematics, and so many more things. I'm her number one. Don't tell Dad. So, do you have any gifts planned out for her yet? Because I have some ideas. Number 1, you can make a personalized card for her, draw a picture, write a message, and add in some glitter. Number 2, if you are good at handcraft or not, you can make something for her. I'm sure it can make her day. Number 3, you can make a video of greeting her. Maybe you can ask your dad to help for that. If you can do it by your own, it's awesome! Number 4, or an easy one. But it might be hard for you. Do not trouble your mom. Just do not trouble your mom or make her mad all day on Mother's Day. Tell her jokes, help her put with her work, and be a good child. I know it's hard, but you do have to do it on Mother's Day. But you can still do it another day. Her mom gets mad at us, but not at us, at the mistakes. So, don't get mad when she scolds you. Okay, kids? And just because she loves us so much. By the way, it's not only your mom. This goes to all the moms in the world. Greet every mom you know and see. Make their day by a smile or a hug or a kiss. This is my message for my mom. I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. I have a Mother's Day song for you, Mom. Here it is. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Even if it's not Mother's Day, I appreciate all the stuff you do for me, even the scoldings, because I know you just scold me for the mistakes I make only. Love you, Mom. And this is my message for my Mama Marlia in Sri Lanka and my Mama Maru in Philippines. I love you, oh Mama and Mama. I love you both so much. Happy Mother's Day!